Hello, welcome. Please come in. Please make yourself comfortable. How are you? I am fine. And you? I am fine too. How is the family? Everybody is fine. Thank you. How was the journey? It was comfortable, no problem. What would you like to have, tea or coffee? I would like to have bath first. Yes, of course. Let me show you the bathroom. Yes, thanks. Do you need anything? No, thanks. What would you like to have for breakfast? Anything will do. Do you like stuffed potato paratha? Oh, yes, I like them very much. Here, please, help yourself. Thank you. Do you like curd? Yes, I will take a little. Please take some butter. No, thanks. I avoid that. What would you like to drink? Tea, please. Sugar? No sugar, please. Why? Any problem? No, just taking precautions. That's good. The parota are very good. Thank you. Please have one more? No, thanks. I have had enough. Take some fruit then. Yes, thanks. What's your program for the day? I will get ready now and go out for some work. What time should we expect you back? I won't be back for lunch, but in the evening I will come back before 7. What would you like for dinner? I mean, any vegetable or dal you prefer? I like everything. Please cook a simple meal. Okay, are you familiar with the bus route? Yes, I know some, but in the case of any problem, I will take an auto. I think I should get ready now. How was your day? It was good, but hectic. Tired? Yes, I will go to bed early. Yes, sure. Let's have dinner first. It's a real feast. You shouldn't have prepared so many dishes. It's nothing much. Please help yourself. The chicken looks very appetizing. Take the dal and vegetable also. Do you like puri or chapati? Chapati, please. Rice. I will take rice later. Would you pass some salt pills? Here it is. Please have some more chicken. Just a little. Are you dieting? Oh no, actually, I have eaten very well. The food is really delicious. Thank you. Take the dessert. What is it? Kheer. Kheer is my weakness. Why so little? Take some more. No thanks. I am really full. Would you like some tea or coffee? No, I avoid that at night. I won't be able to sleep then. Okay, your bed is ready in case you want to rest now. After a short while. Do you need anything? Nothing. Thanks. Alright, please take rest. Then good night.